Hello guys, here's Programming Inspire and welcome to the second part of the stack series. In the last tutorial we made a mistake. Here has to be 9 zeros, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.0 divided by 60.0, but here there has to be 4 zeros for 1 second. So let's check it out. Now it works as it's supposed to work. So now we'll create two more classes. One will be sprite. Put both classes in the graphics package, and the other one will be renderer. So let's start with a sprite. Every sprite will have a width and a height, and int array of pixels. So public sprite in the constructor we will have some properties, so width, int height, and int color. So this dot width is equal to width, this dot height is equal to height, and pixels is equal to new int width times height. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than pixels dot length I plus plus, pixels I is equal to color. Pixels. Now going to the renderer class. In the renderer class we will have a few properties: private, static, int width is equal to stack dot width, and h for stack dot height. This will be width and height of our frame. Public static int array pixels is equal to new int w times h. This will be all the pixels on our frame, on our screen. Public static void render background for int I is equal to 0, I is less than pixels dot length I plus plus, pixels I is equal to 0x f4 f4 f4. That should make a white, close to white color, a bit gray. Public void render sprite. That method will be rendering our sprites. Int x position and int y position. If x position is less than minus s dot width, so if whole sprite is to the left of the screen, or yp is less than s minus s dot height, or x position is greater or equal to w, or y position is greater or equal to h, we should return, because our sprite is not even on the screen. The whole sprite is not on the screen. So for int y is equal to 0, y is less than s dot height, y plus plus, copy, paste, change it to x, and s dot width, int yy is equal to y plus y position. If yy is out of the screen, so is greater or equal to h, or yy is less than 0, continue, because that's just for 1 pixel. Here has to be h, and copy paste that and change it to xx, x plus x position, xx is less than 0, or xx is greater or equal to w. Here int cal stands for color is equal to s dot pixels x plus y times s dot width. If color is equal to 0x ff00ff, continue. That will be our alpha color, but we won't even use it, so doesn't matter. Pixels xx plus yy times w is equal to color. Is equal to color. Let's try if everything works. Okay, now go into the game class. Here we have renderer render background, and at the end for int I is equal to 0, I is less than stack dot pixels dot length I plus plus stack dot pixels I is equal to renderer dot pixels I. So set in every frame set the render pixels into the stack pixels that actually show on the screen. Let's check it if it works. And now this is light gray background that we are rendering. Now let's try to render something else. Renderer dot render sprite. Go into the renderer class. Here has to be public static void terminate new sprite 20 by 20 0x 0. That will be a black color, and render it on 100 and 100. And here we have our methods work. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.